Hi, this is Kiara and Paulina from Pencil, and in today's tutorial we'll be demonstrating how you can annotate on top of a screen share.
So the first thing we need to do is set up a screen share. To enable your screen share, first navigate to the screen share icon in the video toolbar on the right hand side. If you're in expanded view, you can see it on the bottom. There's another button on the whiteboard toolbar that allows you to screen share as well. So I'm going to click this screen sharing button and decide which tab, window, or screen I want to share. So in this case, I'm going to share one of my Chrome tabs, and I have the ability to decide whether I want to share tab audio or not. So then I'll click share, and you can see that my screen share is active. It'll be expanded for all other participants in the call, like so. But now Kiara will describe how you can add this screen share to the whiteboard and how you and your participants can annotate.
So to annotate a screen share, you are going to hover over the screen share and click the three dots that appear. So from there, you're going to select Insert Video to Board. So this will place the screen share onto your board. You can choose to expand it, move it around, as it has now become a part of your whiteboard. So now you can go ahead and navigate to your whiteboard tools and annotate directly on top of your screen share. So this is also something that can be done to the participants' video feed by hovering over their image and selecting Insert Video to Board.
Unlike other tools that have screen share annotation, instead of having to expand the video call, choose the video, and then enable annotations, the screen share that you want to annotate actually gets placed directly on the whiteboard. Since we support screen sharing with multiple participants and multiple video feeds, this means that you could insert multiple screen shares or video feeds to the whiteboard. Unlike adding a photo to the whiteboard, with a screen share, you could actually interact with the screen like you would with any other screen share. It's just that now it's an object placed on the whiteboard. So unlike an image, the screen share can actually move around, and you could move into different pages and go through different activities. Unlike an image, you can actually interact with the page and show a variety of activities, but this is different from a web viewer, because with a web viewer, you could actually interact with the screen and what's happening in the browser in real time. With a screen share annotation, only the person that is in control of that screen share will be able to control it. However, you and your participants have the ability to annotate it on the whiteboard as much as you'd like. Another thing to note is that if you turn off or disable the screen share, it disappears from the whiteboard, but the annotations still remain. If I re-enable the same screen share, I would have to add it back onto the board for my students to annotate it.
Thank you for watching today's tutorial. We hope you found it helpful. If you have any further questions, please feel free to click the Help button found at the top right-hand side of your screen. Make sure to like and subscribe to stay up to date with all things new at Pencil Spaces.